Hi everyone, this is Vicky. Let me introduce you the latest GB300 NVL72 system. In the MGX 1.1 rack, there are 18 compute trays and connect 36 grade CPU and 72 Blackwell Ultra GPUs, supercharging AI inference, training, and data processing. Here are 9 NVLink switches. It supports 72 GPU domain and act as a single massive GPU to deliver optimized connectivity for AI reasoning and breakthrough performance. This is the GB300 compute tray. The HPM with Blackwell Ultra Superchip support up to 288GB of HBM3E memory and provides up to 40 terabytes of high-speed memory per rack, enabling large-scale reasoning applications to efficiently handle user requests at scale. The new NVIDIA CXA provides a full 800 gigabit per second of network connectivity, and this architecture is the first to introduce the PCIe Gen 6 connectivity between GPU and CXA SuperNIC, thus eliminating the need for a standalone PCIe switch. As you can see, GB300 NVL72 is a liquid-cooled rescale solution that weighs 70 times more AI flops than HGX H100. GB300 NVL72 enables significantly more inference for AI models. By combining the Gray CPU with the Blackwell GPU and high-speed interconnect via NVLink, data transfer across multiple systems have never been more efficient.